Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start with a precise subject line that summarizes the email purpose in 5 to 7 words. Include relevant keywords and a deadline when applicable, like budget update due 03/15. Open with a brief greeting and your full name or role to establish context quickly. Follow with a one-sentence purpose statement that tells the recipient what action you need. Conclude the intro by previewing attachments or links and state expected timing for replies, such as 24 hours for standard business messages. Organize the body using short paragraphs and bullet lists to aid skim reading. Keep sentences focused and avoid long blocks of text that slow comprehension. Use bold or italics sparingly to highlight action items or dates, like 03/15 and 5/000 if relevant. Attach files under 10 MB or include a OneDrive link for larger files to prevent delivery failures. End with a professional signature that lists your full name, title, phone number, and a concise company link for credibility. Apply strict etiquette by using reply all only when every recipient truly needs the information. Double-check recipient addresses and avoid using vague phrases that create confusion. Protect sensitive data by encrypting messages or sending details through secure portals rather than email. Use folders, categories, and flags to organize emails by project, priority, or client name. Set calendar reminders for follow-ups and archive messages older than 6 months to maintain a clean inbox. Regularly update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.